7-day trip to these majestic Hawaiian islands, starting from Oahu.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping
Two
breaks,
big
feeling
islands.
lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day.
To Maui.
I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
From under the ocean to above the clouds. From dense forests to deserted terrain. From rainbows to active volcanoes. You find it all right here in Hawaii.
tired eyes need a cup of black.
And today, let's climb these clouds one last time before we leave the islands and get back to the daily grind.
Yeah, true passion shines and I'm through passing time. I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by.
Good morning, guys. Or good night. I really don't know at this point. I'm getting ready to go to the summit of Haleakala. What is it? National Park Summit for the sunrise. Some say sunset is better from there. My wife says sunrise is better. So you know why I'm going. It's pretty early and it's windy, it's cold next to the ocean. Wow, you heard that. The tide, and we are really and literally next to the sea level. I personally don't like sunrises, or not a fan of sunrises. It's okay, but I have a reason to do this, and that's can't say no. Aloha. So it's 1 hour and 17 minutes from our hotel.
Head southwest on Lono Avenue toward West Ka'ahu Manu Avenue, then turn left onto West Ka'ahu Manu Avenue.
Yeah, you understood all that, right? Well, it better not be. It's very hard to get their tickets, and it's kind of lottery thing. You have to, I think they have a 25 to 50 car spots or something, and 25 are you can buy online at least a month before the date or whatever, and 25 are reserved. Try to be lucky to get it, and my wife was managed to get it a couple of days ago, and that is what I'm paying for right now.
Turn left onto West Ka'ahu Manu Avenue.
All right, I will. So time right now is 4:29 a.m. and you can see that all good people are in bed, sleeping what they're supposed to do, what a normal person is supposed to do right now. And we are on our way to Haleakala Visitor Center, which will lead to the Haleakala Summit. And this is the highest mountain on this island, Maui.
In a quarter mile, keep right to continue on State Highway.
And this summit is also an observatory research center. And it's about 10,000 feet altitude. And we are at sea level right now, going to climb 10,000 And the whole distance is 35 miles. So nowhere in the world or in the US, I would say, correct me if I'm wrong, you climb 35 miles and you rise to 10,000 feet within a short distance. So, and you rise above the clouds. Let's see. Aloha, good morning. It's 4:51 and we're still at the surface, almost sea level, and the temperature today is 64 degrees Fahrenheit on the ground level. So you can imagine what it would be at 10,000 feet. Apparently very cold. So there has been raining since yesterday while as we drove on the road to Hana yesterday. The whole weather has been not very friendly and it still looks the same. And I hope it stays, it gets a little bit, friendly as we fly out of here this afternoon. But the forecast is bad weather for another week or two. Some typhoons, some hurricanes, some blizzards on the summits, especially on the big island, Kona. We are on Maui right now. So let's see how does this go. How is the weather up there on Maui this morning? If we are able to see any sunrise, any sun at all. Because it's kind of interesting right now as well on and off. So we'll see. The ranger at the entrance cautioned for the very high wind velocity, and we can already hear it, feel it. The car is rocking, and we still have at least, I guess,
19 minutes to go.
19 minutes and 9.4 miles to go, around 10 miles to go, and it's all climb, climb, climb. And the degree in Fahrenheit is already 45 degrees. We started ascend at 65. It's 45 now, 20 degrees below from where we started, and very high wind. So you can expect anything when you are ascending to these heights. And another caution you must have, which we did not notice on the other Hawaiian islands, I may be blind, but I did not see any deers anywhere else. I'm not saying there are not any, but on this track, we did quite a few on the highway coming to this summit. So you gotta be extra careful for those animals who are attracted toward light. Keep your headlights low and be extra cautioned. See you up there. Oh boy, look at the gust. I don't know why is this summit even open right now. My car is so rocky. One thing is for sure, there isn't going to be any visible sunrise today. I'm not sure what I'm doing up here. At 10,000 feet, look at the gust of the wind. And I'm not the only crazy one. There are quite a few like us. $37 degrees. Remember we started at 65, 67 on the sea level, and it's 37 right now. You got a parking in the southeast side on the summit at 10,000 feet. And the gust, you can see what's happening out there. Everybody's in their cars, and the gust is so big that it doesn't look like anyone has guts to go out. I'm thinking if we should, but for now, sitting in the car, I don't really think there is going to be any visible sunrise today. So nothing for nothing, I guess. Or maybe once sun comes out, But it would be clearer for us to see our way back out. I'll try to go out.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never cap in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
wow, got a brain freeze. I mean, it was already closed for the place.
6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a couple blends. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend.
Wow.
Light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time.
Wow. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change.
So I guess there is no sunrise.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make.
So there was no rise. I mean, of course, there was one, but not for us. Just like Mauna Kea on the Big Island, we couldn't get to the sunset due to snowstorm. And this time again, we were unable to catch the sunrise just for the same seasons and reasons.
Above the clouds right now. We didn't make all the way to the summit, but it's a sunrise. At Mauna Kea, we couldn't even make it to the top because they closed it down. This one they did not. So we managed to go all the way up, but clouds and the storm.
6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the
But don't let these disappointments keep you from at least making an attempt. And there's always enough reward for driving up there. For example, at Mauna Kea, the Big Island, we still managed to catch amazing views from a nearby hill, if not the summit.
I won't stop till I make a change.
Look at these.
I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never cap in space.
And now, at this Haleakala observatory. Never mind. Just watch.
Alright. We climbed down from the summit. Overlook. Guys.
6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space.
Wow.
Stop till I hear him say.
Time to go back home. Back home, yes. We're at 10,000 feet. It was a wonderful.
I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say.
And that wraps up our 7-day wish list trip to Hawaiian Islands. No camera lens can justify what meets the eye. Or maybe even eyes don't see exactly what's out there. For all our previous journeys, visit my channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Free rides don't hurt.